Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1950 Mercury and by Bburago. I'm not sure if this is actually by Bburago or by Maestro. I mean after that last Colorado unboxing, but nothing much in the box. It is some Chinese shit going on. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. See, this is the reason why I prefer Tomica, these kind of brands, because they do their manufacturing and all, and at least they can take pride on it. Okay, so this one is also by Maestro. Okay, so okay, let me be very honest with you guys. I did, yeah, here it is. You can see here that is actually Mercury. So these are same casting but under different brand name. That's it. There you have it. But I did a review on that one as well. So oh my god, that is disappointing, man. I was expecting this to be a bit different. Okay, paint job looks good. It still has some issues, but that one was really awesome when it comes to paint job. So it has good interior detailing to it. Steering wheel is not turnable or anything, but it is okay. It's literally same casting with same rims, same wheels and everything. Everything is literally the same. Headlight details are there. No tail light details. I don't remember that one having tail light details, but that had headlight details that I remember. So rubber tires here. Let me see once again. Yeah, rubber tires here. My god. They're ripping off people, man. Guys, be aware, these castings are done by Maestro, most of them, which they are doing for Bburago, specifically this rubber wheels on. So these are actually placed around the same price range, but just I'm not sure how to spot that so far. But as of now, at least from my video, you guys can able to learn what right now. I don't remember the older 3 or 4 cars which I did that unboxing, Bburago unboxing. I'm not sure that Urus and a couple more cars, Ford Mustang, Alpine, one more Lamborghini also, I guess. So right now I don't remember the chassis detailing, whether it mentioned Maestro or Bburago. I need to recheck, or I need to recheck the video at least, which I uploaded. So I don't know how to, whether I need to recommend this or not. But this casting, if you ask me, this is a good casting. But since I bought that one in Muscat, yeah, in Muscat, so that costed me a lot. I bought that in Muscat Hamleys, so I got that for around 750 or 800 rupees, if I'm not wrong. So that one was Harley Davidson customized edition, that one. But I don't think this one can sell for that range again, because this one can be around 500 rupees. But I bought this for around the same range, around 750 or 800. I don't remember exactly now. I need to recheck my payment and all. Let's weigh this casting and see how much it weighs. 40 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, dude, it is not even moving in the track. The wheel wobbles a lot, the car pitches a lot. Oh my god. But if you are just going to keep it as it is, like I'm doing that one now, this is going to be a good one. But if you ask me whether it's worth 750 or 800 or around that range, no, just buy it for 500 or so, or else don't buy it at all. Just save that money for something else. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.